In 2019, during one of Toronto's worst snowstorms, public transit was paralyzed. A woman named Leah was stranded outside a coffee shop when her Uber canceled. She was freezing, alone, and tearing up from the cold. A stranger, Mark, saw her struggling and offered to share his cab, but the driver had only one spot. Without hesitating, Mark gave up his seat, handed her his scarf, and told the driver to take her home safely. Leah couldn't stop thinking about his kindness. She posted about him on a Toronto community page, just describing his jacket, his smile, and the scarf. Within 24 hours, someone tagged Mark. He remembered her instantly, their first official date. The very next weekend, at the same coffee shop. They've been together ever since.